Executive Order Number 61, suspending the implementation of Administrative Order Number 25, Series of 2011, and Executive Order Number 80, Series of 2012, as amended. Whereas Administrative Order Number 25 established a unified and integrated results-based performance management system or RBPMS across all departments and agencies within the executive branch of government, and for such purpose established an interagency task force or IATF on the harmonization of national government performance monitoring information and reporting systems. Whereas the Executive Order Number 80 Series of 2012, as amended by EO Number 21 Series of 2016, adopted a performance-based incentive or PBI system consisting of Productivity Enhancement Incentive or PEI and a performance-based bonus or PBB to motivate higher performance and exact greater accountability in the public sector and ensure accomplishment of government commitments and targets. Whereas Section 13 of Presidential Decree Number 985 Series of 1976 as amended, and Item 17.4 of the Senate and House Representative Joint Resolution Number 4 Series of 2009 as amended by Republic Act or RA Number 11466 or the Salary Standardization Law of 2019 authorized the President to periodically revise or update the compensation and position classification system, as well as the policies on and the levels of allowances, benefits, and incentives applicable to all government personnel. Whereas Section 5 or RA number 9485 as amended by RA number 11032 or the Ease of Doing Business and Efficient Government Service Delivery Act of 2018 mandates all offices and agencies which provides government services to undergo evaluation and improvement of their transaction systems and procedures and re-engineer the same if deemed necessary to reduce bureaucratic red tape and processing time. Whereas pursuant to RA number 9485 as amended, the Anti-Red Tape Authority or ARTA is mandated to, among others, coordinate with all government offices in the review of existing laws, executive issuances, and local ordinances implement and oversee a national policy on anti-red tape and ease of doing business, and implement various ease of doing business and anti-red tape reform initiatives. Whereas the RBPMS and PBI systems have been duplicative and redundant with the internal and external performance audit and evaluation systems of the department and lack a review mechanism leading to the accumulation of rules, regulation, and issuances from the IATF, thereby making compliance therewith burdensome, bureaucratic, laborious, and time-consuming for government agencies. Whereas it is imperative to streamline, align, and harmonize the RBPMS and PBI system with ease of doing business initiatives and reform the government performances evaluation process and incentive system towards a more responsive, efficient, agile, and competent bureaucracy. Whereas the Philippine Development Plan 2023 to 2028 and the Administrator's 8-point socio-economic agenda aim to institute good governance practices and improve bureaucratic efficiency. And whereas Section 17, Article 7 of the Constitution vests in the President with the power of control over all executive departments, bureaus, and offices and the mandate to ensure the faithful executions of laws. Now, therefore, I, Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., President of the Philippines, by virtue of the powers vested in me by the Constitution and existing laws, do hereby order Section 1, Suspension, the implementation of AO number 25 series of 2011 and EO number 80 series of 2012 and all other relevant issuances related thereto is hereby suspended immediately pending review of the RBPMS and the PBI system. Section 2, the Technical Working Group, a technical working group or TWG for the study and review of the RBPMS and PBI system is hereby constituted, composed of the following: Chair, Secretary, Department of Budget and Management or DBM, Co-Chair, Executive Secretary, Office of the President, Members, Secretary, Department of Finance, Secretary, National Economic and Development Authority, and Director General, ARTA. Representatives to the TWG shall have a rank of not lower than the Assistant Secretary or its equivalent who are duly authorized to decide for and on behalf of the agency concerned. The OP and the DBM shall provide secretariat services to the TWG. Section 3, Function. The TWG shall study and review the RBPMS and PBI system with the goal of streamlining, overhauling, improving, and simplifying government performance management and incentive systems. In the performance of its function, the TWG may consult and collaborate with the Department, Academy of the Philippines, Civil Service Commission, Career Executive Service Board, Commission on Audit, and the Office of the Ombudsman, and other relevant government agencies and the instrumentalities as it may deem appropriate. The TWG may likewise involve the private sector, although the National Competitiveness Council for the purpose of soliciting inputs and recommendations.